Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to make a video using pictures and music for Instagram. So right now I'll show you the best method to create a video using pictures and music for Instagram. And the steps will be similar for Androids and iPhones. First of all, you have to install the InShot app on your phone. So go ahead and launch your App Store or Play Store and search for InShot. Then all you have to need, install this InShot video editor app on your phone, and this is a very lightweight app. As you can see, this app size is only 198 megabyte. Okay, once the app installed, go ahead and launch the InShot app on your phone and just close this ad. Once you are in this main page, just tap on video and tap on new video, and now you will jump into your gallery. Select photo, and now from your gallery you have to select those photos you want to use to make a video. As you can see, I've selected 6 photos, and then tapping on done. And here, as you can see, I've successfully created a video using pictures, and now it's time to resize the pictures. So here I'm selecting the second video or picture and pinching my fingers to fit the picture, and then selecting my third picture, and the same way I'm making the picture fit for my screen and selecting next photo, and this is already perfect. And now I'm selecting this photo and making it full screen. And by default, every picture duration will be 5 seconds. If you want to change duration, just select the photo, and using this slider you will be able to increase or decrease your picture video duration. So I'm selecting all pictures and decreasing duration, and okay, the video is almost ready. And now I will show you how to change this video aspect ratio or size. To change size, just click on this canvas, and here you will find bunch of different template size. You can select any of them. So let's select Instagram Reel, and as you can see, the ratio has been successfully added. You can also select any other ratio from here. So I'm selecting here Instagram Reel and tapping on done. And now let's see the final result by tapping on play button. And here we can see I've successfully created a video using pictures, and now just tap on share and save the video. Once the video saved, now go to your Instagram, tap on this plus icon and select the video you just created and tap on next. And now it's time to add music. So tap on this music icon, and now from here you will be able to add a music, and just tap on done and upload the video. So this is how we can create video using pictures and music for Instagram. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.